Rotobrush 3 is one of the most powerful AI-assisted tools in Adobe After Effects for isolating subjects without a green screen. By simply painting over the subject, Rotobrush automatically analyzes edges, movement, and fine details such as hair, hands, and clothing. It significantly reduces the time required for traditional rotoscoping and allows motion designers, VFX artists, and content creators to quickly separate subjects from their backgrounds for professional compositing. Create a new composition from the clip for best results. Double-click the footage layer. This opens the layer panel. Select the Roto Brush tool from the toolbar. Now draw a green stroke across the subject. After Effects automatically detects the object. If unwanted areas are selected, hold Alt and paint red strokes to remove those areas. Don't try to paint the entire subject. Simply guide After Effects. The AI does most of the work. Allow Roto Brush to propagate. Watch for hair edges, fingers, fast movements, clothing details. Adjust the selection whenever needed. Now open Roto Brush and refine edge properties. Recommended settings: feather 25px, contrast 20 to 40%, shift edge -5%, reduce chatter 50%. These values vary depending on footage. The goal is a stable edge. Once satisfied, click Freeze. This locks the roto calculation. Freezing prevents accidental changes and improves playback performance. Wait for After Effects to finish processing. Return to Composition view. The background is now removed. Create a new solid or place another video underneath. Notice how the subject appears isolated without any green screen. After successfully extracting the subject using Roto Brush, we can enhance the visual appearance by applying a CC toner effect. CC toner allows us to remap the image tones using custom highlight, midtone, and shadow colors, creating a more stylized and professional look. This is especially useful when you want the isolated subject to stand out from the background or match a specific color theme. To apply the effect, select the extracted layer and navigate to Effect, Color Correction CC Toner. By adjusting the highlight and shadow colors, you can create anything from a subtle cinematic grade to a dramatic duotone effect. In this example, the effect is used to give the subject a cleaner, more graphic appearance, while maintaining important details and contrast. The handles are affected also. With the effect, we can extract the layer and place it at the top to correct it. Manually mask out the layer and place it at the top by moving it. Content-aware fill takes object removal to the next level by intelligently reconstructing missing areas of a video. After defining the unwanted object with a mask, After Effects analyzes surrounding pixels and generates new background information to seamlessly fill the gap. This tool is ideal for removing people, equipment, logos, or distracting elements from footage, making it an essential technique for cleanup work, visual effects, and advanced compositing projects. Frame-by-frame masking is the traditional manual rotoscoping method used when automatic tools struggle with complex footage. artists create and adjust masks on individual frames to accurately follow a subject's movement throughout a shot. Although time-consuming, frame-by-frame masking provides maximum control and precision, making it the preferred solution for challenging scenes involving motion blur, overlapping objects, transparent elements. Create the mask, forward a few frames, and click the stopwatch icon to automatically animate what you change in the mask. Next, open the Content Aware Fill panel by going to Window, Content Aware Fill. For most object removals, leave the fill method set to Object and click Generate Fill Layer. After Effects will analyze the surrounding pixels and automatically create a new fill layer that reconstructs the missing background. Depending on the length and complexity of the footage, this process may take a few moments. Once the analysis is complete, preview the result. As you can see, the subject has been removed and the background has been intelligently rebuilt, saving hours of manual cleanup work.